Welcome to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a new type of equations, that is Clairaut's equation or Clairaut's form. A differential equation of the form y equal to px plus f of p, where p is dy dx, is known as Clairaut's form or Clairaut's equation. Now suppose the general solution of one be y equal to cx plus f of c, where c is an arbitrary constant. In the previous class, we have discussed that general solution represents family of curves. So here, this general solution represents a family of straight lines, as we can see. So, the general solution of 1 represents this family of straight lines. Now, the singular solution of the Clairaut's equation 1 becomes the envelope of the family of straight lines given by the general solution. Okay, that is, the curve given by the singular solution touches every member of the family of lines given by the singular solution. So, now coming to a problem. So, see, this is our problem. Solve the differential equation sin px cos y equal to cos px sin y plus p. So, we have this. Now, this can be written as sin px cos y minus cos px sin y equal to p, or sin of px minus y, that is equal to p. Therefore, px minus y equal to sin inverse p, or y equal to px minus sin inverse p. Now see, compare this equation with the Clairaut's form. So what is Clairaut's form? Y equal to px plus f of p. This is our Clairaut's form, and this is our obtained equation. So comparing these two, we can see that here f of p is minus sin inverse p. So clearly this equation 1 is a Clairaut's equation. So this is a Clairaut's equation. Now differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get dy dx, that is p. Now this is p plus x dp dx minus 1 by root over 1 minus p square dp dx, or x minus 1 by root over 1 minus p square dp dx equal to 0. From this we get either x minus 1 by root over 1 minus p square equal to 0, or dp dx equal to 0. So now if dp dx equal to 0, then we get dp equal to 0. Therefore, integrating this, we get p equal to some arbitrary constant c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Now putting the value of p in equation 1, we get y equal to px, that is cx, then minus sin inverse p, that is minus sin inverse c. So this is our general solution. Now again coming to this factor. So again x minus 1 by root over 1 minus p square equal to 0. This implies root over 1 minus p square equal to 1 by x, that is 1 minus p square equal to 1 by x square p equal to root over 1 minus 1 by x square, and here plus minus. So plus minus root over 1 minus 1 by x square. This is p. Again, putting the value of p in 1, we get y equal to px. So plus minus root over 1 minus 1 by x square into x. Then minus sine inverse p. So minus sine inverse p is this, plus minus root over 1 minus 1 by x square. Okay. So this is our required singular solution. This is singular solution of the given equation, and singular solution represents the envelope of the family of curves given by the general solution. So today we have discussed about the Clairaut's form, Clairaut's equation, and how to solve such type of equations. So keep watching and thank you. In the next video, we discuss more interesting topic. Please follow, subscribe and share this.